Hey guys, welcome to another video on weekly market review. In this video I'll be breaking down price action for this week just to update our knowledge on how price delivers on a weekly basis. So without further ado, I don't want to make this video a long one, so we should just dive into the chart and look at what price action did this week. So yeah, we start on the DXY. What has price been doing? So as you can see on this daily chart, we had a reaction from this higher time frame key level. So initially I was expecting price to get down below this and take out this liquidity here before we can see any form of bullish reaction, but price just took out this previous week low. I guess, yeah, price took out this previous week low and we are seeing bullish reaction from that zone. So yeah, this was a markup I did within the week. I was expecting price to react from this zone here and sell off, taking out this liquidity down here. But it did. Clearly price had another intention. So yeah, this week started from, go to the 1 hour chart so you can see price more clearly. So where did this week start from? Yeah, this week started from here. So what did price do? Price took out this liquidity here on this higher time frame key level. So since then we have been seeing bullishness on price. And what is price aiming for? We can say price is aiming for this liquidity void here. So going into the next week, we can expect price to either fill in this gap here. This is just my target for the next week, but I'm doing a breakdown. So this week we saw bullishness in price after price took out this previous week low. Price took it out of took out Friday's low, and since then we've been seeing bullishness on price. After price took out this external liquidity, we saw price take out internal liquidity and still resume the bullishness. We saw price take out this call lows here and has currently resumed the bullishness, taking out this previous high. So we can say this week was bullish on dollar, which we interpret to bearishness on other dollar paired assets like GBP USD and Euro USD. So let's go to GBP USD first. So bullishness on the dollar, what does it mean to GBP USD bearishness? So as I said on my last weekly market outlook video, I was spot on my analysis, but clearly I didn't execute well on my trades. So I was aiming for price to take out this liquidity here. If you didn't watch that video, I advise you guys to go check it out and see how I called this out before the week started. So I was aiming for this price to take out this equal high here, this liquidity here, and have a dump there. And this is clearly what we saw. Just price took it out by a few pips, and we've seen rejection from there, but I didn't take advantage of it. I didn't execute trades with the right mindset and the right approach. So that's another addition. So yeah, after price took out that liquidity, we saw bearishness. Since price took out that liquidity. So yeah, this was how price delivered this week. Bullishness on dollar and bearishness on GBP USD and Euro USD. Euro USD was bullish than the GBP USD, so we were seeing kind of a consolidation on Euro USD, which didn't really dump the way GBP USD dumped. So yeah, this is just a review, and this is how price delivered this week. So on Euro USD, same thing there. We saw price. So this is what I was saying. Euro USD was just kind of consolidating because it was stronger than the GBP. So if you would have checked Euro GBP asset, you would have seen it's very bullish. So this just Euro USD was finding it hard to go down because it was strong. The Euro was strong and GBP was strong, so it was just kind of sideways. So yeah, same story here. Price went up but it didn't clear any liquidity on the higher time frame. This was the liquidity. Let's go on the 4-hour chart. This was the liquidity I was expecting price to take out, but it didn't get to the zone there. So, but it sold up before getting there. So since then, what did we now see in price? We saw price dump and make lower low. Then took out this, had this stop points, went up here, took out this liquidity here on this higher time frame point of interest and made a retracement down before taking out liquidity again. And if you check here, this is a breaker. The price took out liquidity going into a breaker, and price took out liquidity here going into a breaker and sold up from there. So now what is price then? After taking out this liquidity, we should see bullishness a little going into this place to sell off. But yeah, this is just a quick breakdown of what price did on Euro USD and GBP USD. I'll catch you guys on the next video, which will be my weekly market outlook again, to focus on what the next week we deliver and how price we deliver on the next week. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys have a good weekend and journal your trades and get ready to tackle the next week. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.